chat box so that Shukla sir will monitor that, and he will call you at the end of this lecture, not in the program. Immediately after the lecture, he'll call you on, and you can unmute yourself and you can make yourself visible on this platform, and you can just say a few words and positives and negatives of this program, so that they will be recorded. And one more thing is just we will just take up them as the steps to rectify. Just will in future we'll try to come up with even better programs by improving ourselves. So that is one thing. And I'll just initially I'll just try to get into the topic directly. Then after that I'll just there'll be a little bit of validatory program. Then after that I'll just talk about the examinations and feedback. That's how we'll end the program. So let me get in directly into the program. We have quickly let me go through what we have done for the last 4 days. Then after that, what are the topics that we are going to discuss today? I'll just come back to that. First day we have, as every day, even though I'm trying to repeat these things again and again. Don't get bored of it. It will give us a clear idea what is exactly this program is all about and what is exactly this chemical draw is all about. ChemDraw is all about. First day we've just focused on what is the software and where it is available, how to install that software. Then after that, we just quickly have gone through each and every corner of that ChemDraw by finding out different kinds of menu bars and that are present on this platform. Then second day, we just moved on to the toolbars and we just focused on all types of toolbars. And out of those toolbars, we just quickly focused just gone through that main toolbar, because main toolbar is just playing a very important role. So what are the tools that are present in the main toolbar? We quickly went through that. Then after that, the third day, the most important day, that we started off with examples of drawing chemical structures by using toolbars. To be specific, main toolbar. We just tried to finish 4 examples on that day. Then after that, we moved on to the next day, that is fourth day, that is yesterday. Remaining 2 examples, what we have left out on the third day, we just finished up. Then after that, the most important thing that I have introduced to you yesterday was the hotkeys cheat sheet. Okay, this hotkeys cheat sheet is just going to make you go draw, modify, and chemical structures and reaction molecules in a fast pace. So that is also very, very important. So if you see the second day, third day, and fourth day together, probably it will constitute the whole point of it. Of course, because of the time constraint, we have not gone into in detail of each and every tool that is present in the ChemDraw and each and every example that we, of course, there are plenty of examples that we cannot try every example. So, but as a whole, we try to cover main things of in terms of toolbar, in terms of drawing chemical structures, and the main things like hotkeys cheat sheet. Then today, what I'm going to do is just simply I will tell you. Yesterday, I just wanted to tell you something very important that I have postponed it to today. That is, how to use databases. Databases means what? There are plenty of chemical structures that are available. Let's say in terms of codes, you cannot, simple structures you can draw very easily on the platform. Okay. Yesterday also I have told you that with the help of a name, you can borrow the structures. Okay, that is one of the method in which by which you can borrow the structures from databases. That means name to structure. If you type the name, then you will get a structure. That is one of the methods of borrowing structures from databases. There are other methods also. See, if you see the whole thing as as a one unit, like having toolbars on one hand and knowing how to draw each and everything on the on this platform, and at the same time, when there are so much complicated structures which are very difficult to draw in a short span of time, we need to borrow them. So if you know borrowing structures from databases, drawing or modifying the structures with the help of a toolbars, and having a cheat sheet code or hotkey cheat sheet in your hand, these all these three things together, if you just apply it at a one single moment of time on this platform, definitely you are just going to be an expert or like a technician of ChemDraw or chemical molecules. Okay, so let me just quickly get into what are the different ways or in which we can get a different complicated structures from from databases. Let me share that ChemDraw with you. So this is the ChemDraw platform. So what I've told you yesterday is just simply using this option on that structure toolbar on the top. Structure toolbar on the top, you can see this name to structure. If you click that, then automatically a window appears. Here you can type anything. Okay, anything. This is one of the ways in which you can get the structures from databases. That means from the sources on the web, from the sources on the web. What is that? For example, in a simple molecule, like simple molecules, you can draw it. That is not a problem. Okay, acetone. This is the acetone molecule. Okay, this is the acetone molecule. Okay, so this is a small molecule, simple molecules. If you want to go to a complicated molecule, I will take enough of time. This is something very important. If you get structures from databases, and if you can modify it with the help of toolbar and having a hotkeys, that means to make the things move faster. If you have all these things in your hand, definitely you are going to accelerate. Now let me just type different okay, different. This is a catechol. Okay, catechol molecule. I just typed it and I got it. I typed it and I got it. Okay, so it's very easy. Now let me just go to a little bit. Yesterday also I have tried this one UDTA. UDTA. So this is also a little big molecule when compared to the rest of the thing. Okay, you can see that. And if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size. Okay, so let me just say even much bigger molecule. Much bigger molecule. For example, vitamin D2. Okay, vitamin D2. Just look at this molecule. Look at this molecule. Okay, this is even, you have to put these stereochemical indicators also, the representations and all that. So this is, just like that, you can, you can simply import. Okay, for example, vitamin E, just simply type it, you'll get the molecule. Then you can do whatever the modifications that you want to do. Okay, this is one method. One method is what? By knowing the name and try to get the structure. Simply import the structure from databases. Okay, so now let me tell you another method. Okay, it's a, I'll show you here. You can see on the edit menu, just go to edit menu and go to paste special means pasting. Okay, here you can see name as structure. Okay, so this is the option that I'm talking about, that I've discussed till now. What is that? If you know the name, you can get the structure. If you know the name, you can get the structure. If you know the name, you can get the structure. Just like this, there are other indicators are there. Name is one of the indicator for the structure. Okay, name is just like a symbol for a structure. If you know that symbol of a name, that means name of a structure, you can get the structure. Not only that, there are other indicators are also there in the world of chemistry. In the world of chemistry, scientists have developed other indicators also. What are that? Smiles, for example. Smiles. Just look at the smiles. INCHL. Okay, what these are the short forms of the full form. If you want me to say, for example, full form means, this is let me just tell you, this is a big one. This is SMILES means a simplified molecular input line entry system. This is what the full form of SMILES. Okay, so simplified molecular input line entry system. Okay, that's what we call SMILE. For example, INCHL means, IUPAC. That's IUPAC is irrelevant. International Chemical Identifier. Okay, that is what we call International Chemical Identifier. So let me show you what are these SMILES and INCHL. What about this FASTA peptide, FASTA DNA, FASTA RNA? These are all related to biology students. They'll have their own codes. Okay, if you can borrow those codes, then automatically those biological molecules will appear on this platform. Let me show you by taking the example of SMILES and INCHL. Okay, with these two, I'll try to show you with different identifiers or different keys, different symbols. You can draw the structure. For example, acetone, we typed acetone and we got the structure, right? With the name also, you got the structure. Now, with other identifiers also, we'll get the same structure. Let me show you that. Okay, let me share. Okay, so this is Google. I'll go to Google. Okay, you need that. So acetone, for example, acetone smiles. Okay, smiles is the one. So here you can see this PubChem. PubChem is one of the database in which you'll have lakhs and lakhs of chemicals with all these identifiers. So acetone. Okay, I just click that. Then I have gone below. They will give all a particular chemical, complete details. They'll try to provide it in this, source. So here you can see this smiles. Okay, here you can see canonical smiles. Let me copy that. This is the code. Let me copy that. I copied it right now. Okay, now let me show you in ChemDraw. I'll go to edit. I'll go to paste special and I'll click smiles. Then automatically I'll get acetone. Just look at it here. This is what I got it, acetone. I got it by typing name, and I got it by copying or by typing Smiles code of a particular molecule. Okay, acetone. Okay, let me show you, for example, Smiles only with another for another molecule. Okay, what did we try? Catechol. Catechol, we got it right. So catechol, catechol Smiles. Okay, here you can see PubMed, PubChem. So here you can find all. This is one of the databases, and you will get just like this, plenty of other databases wherein you will find these Smiles data and all of that. So here you will see, canonical Smiles. This is the code. This is the code for Smiles. Let me copy that and let me go to ChemDraw. Okay, let me go to edit. Let me go to paste special and let me type it. So this is what your catechol. Okay, if you want to decrease, you can decrease it and you can put it like this. Okay, so what is another example that we tried? We tried EDTA. Let me try that EDTA also with the help of Smiles. With the help of Smiles. EDTA. Smiles. Okay, here you can see disodium EDTA. Okay, here you can go to Smiles, just scroll down, simple. Here you can see canonical Smiles. Okay, this is the code. So if some people are giving not only, for example, once you go to higher education, you'll come to know about all of this. See, every time chemical name will not be given to you. Sometimes, if you go to like a brochures of chemical manufacturing companies, they will not only talk about names, they'll talk about all different kinds of identifiers. Any one of it, if you have in your hand, definitely you can just borrow that structure onto the chemical draw very easily. Okay, let me just go to paste in Smiles. Here you can see this. This has become big, so let me change. Let me decrease the size of it. Okay. So this is what it is, EDTA. So that's how you can just get the structures the way you got it from the name of the molecule. You can get it from Smile code as well. Okay. So let me just delete this and let me show you International Chemical Identifier. Okay, INCHL, CHI. Okay, let me just go to again Google. Okay, simply, if you know the name of it, acetone code. Okay, acetone. The same acetone, same page. If you go, you will find along with Smiles, there is this code. Here you can see that International Chemical Identifier. This is the code. This is the code. Just copy that code. Okay, go to ChemDraw. Okay, here you try to paste, not as Smiles, but INCHL. You got it, right? Once you get the structure, just like this, you can get structure for everything. Once you get the structure, then automatically you can do whatever the modification that you want to do with the help of a toolbars. Okay. For example, I'll show you for biology people also, they'll get happy. Okay. If I just show for them, DNA sequence. Let me show DNA sequence. For example, there is a famous movie called Gattaca. Okay. That's how I remember it. Okay. So this is one of the sequence. Okay. Gattaca is one of the sequence of DNA. These are nucleotides in that sequence. So copy that sequence, any sequence you get it. DNA sequence, protein sequence. Okay, go to ChemDraw and use the option of edit and go to FASTA DNA. This is what your DNA code. Now, if you want to get the full structure of this sequence, okay, just select this and go to structure and you say expand label. Then automatically you'll get the whole. Just look at it, how big it is. Just look at this. Okay, it's difficult for you to draw this structure, in just a fraction of a second. But you can borrow that structure. Once you borrow the structure, then after that you can do whatever the modifications that you want to do. Okay, that's what the greatness of this ChemDraw, that because right from molecules like simple molecules like water to you have like thousands and thousands of atoms containing molecules with a lot of complexity in terms of structure. So instead of wasting your time in a simple molecules, you can draw directly. Otherwise, even if you want to borrow simple molecules also, you can borrow. Otherwise, if you want to borrow the complex molecules also, simply you can borrow, and according to that you will do the changes with the help of toolbars and with the help of hotkeys, so that you can make it very fast the things. Okay, so that's what it is all about, borrowing molecules from databases. That's what I have finished it. Now let me show you. Yesterday also one of the students was asking, sir, could you please show us the 3D model? Okay, 3D model. Let me just borrow one structure, to make it more beautiful. Okay, folic acid. Okay, folic acid is one of the molecule. Let me just decrease the size. Okay, this is the folic acid. Okay, this is a folic acid. I just borrowed it. Now what I need to do is, if I want to get a three-dimensional, uh, three-dimensional just model of this particular molecule, simply you have to select that. Then you should go to edit. Then there you will find get 3D model. There you will find get 3D model. What you need to do, you have to select the molecule first. You have to select the molecule, then go to edit, then click get 3D model. Okay, you just get a little take a little bit of time, but you'll get it, because it processes, it opens another completely different software platform, that is Chem3D. So that's why it takes a little bit of time. Just look at it. Okay, so this is what your 3D model. Okay, if you want to explore a lot of this particular object, simply what you need to do is double click on that particular model, because here it is being presented on a two-dimensional platform, a three-dimensional molecule and a two-dimensional platform, but you cannot visualize from every angle this particular model. So what you need to do is double click that. Okay, once you double click that, you will be directed to a different kind of platform, that is a 3D platform, wherein you can just do all kinds of modifications, whatever that you want to do. Just look at it. This is a Chem 3D platform. After debugging that particular model, I just navigated to a Chem 3D platform. This is what Chem 3D platform. Here, if you want to maximize it, here you can maximize it. Just look at it, with a high resolution pictures. High resolution. Even if you want to rotate it, you can rotate it. Just look at it. So this kind of a view you won't get it in a ChemDraw directly, but it has given an option to you. That means ChemOffice has given an opportunity to you to visualize a three-dimensional model of each and every molecule. Here you can see this, right? So
what you could not see the three-dimensional model, sir?
You could not see, sir. Is it not visible to you?
No, it is not visible, sir.
I think it is visible. Parallelly, I am watching on my iPad also. It is just coming out okay with another account. Is there anybody? Just could you identify yourself and tell me that whether participants are you able to see this? 1 minute. I just got something in chat box. The screen is frozen. But here I could see, not able to see. Not, no sir, no sir, no sir. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, please. I'll just sort it out. How come I just able to? Yeah. So yeah. Now I think you will be able to see, right?
Not yet, sir. Yes, sir. Now we can see.
Yeah. So here on the top left corner, you can see that is a Chem 3D. This is a different platform. The moment you double click on the ChemDraw on 3D model, you will be deported to this Chem 3D platform. Here you will have side by side a ChemDraw platform and a Chem 3D platform. This is the right side is a ChemDraw platform. Here left side is a Chem 3D platform. What is the advantage of these two having side by side? It's very simple. Whatever the modifications that you will do on the right side, they will be reflected on the left side. Okay. If for example, if you try to change this one, okay, here you can see that the moment I click that atom, I got this main toolbar. Here, if you want to just change any atom, OH2, NH2, okay, then automatically it will get reflected over here. For example, I'll show you. This is Camdra platform. Just let me add a single bond over here, for example. Here, sorry. Okay, this is okay. This is the benzene ring I'm talking about here. Sorry, the moment I change it here, automatically it is getting reflected over time. Okay, now this is the benzene ring and this is the benzene ring. This benzene ring is getting reflected over here. These two are the benzene rings that we are looking at it right now. Let me change that. Okay, already it is there, or okay, just look at that. Okay, here, sorry, here, have you seen this one? This is CH3, right? Previously it was not there, this CH3. This CH3, it was not there. Let me just show you back again. Okay, now here if you see this benzene molecule, both are, here you have one bond, here you have one bond, and these are nothing but hydrogens, white colored hydrogens, one single bond hydrogen. Now let me add over here, okay, one CH3. The moment if I click, this is CH3 because each end gets filled by CH3. This is CH3. Now you can see here, this bond and this bond, previously it was there. And these are single bonds, right? Previously there was also one single bond, but here now we got the CH3. So what are the modifications that you can do there, and then you can do, and you can try to visualize what is exactly happening here on this 3D screen. So if you want to just have a lot of other features are there here. If you want to just look at, for example, go to view menu, there you will find mode display. In that mode display, you have another display mode. Under display mode, right now what we are looking at is ball and stick model. So if you want to change that model to sticks, just sticks, if you click that, then automatically you'll get only sticks. Okay, so if you want to change the way in which it looks, you can simply change that. Okay, cylindrical bonds. Okay, the bonds are a little bit cylindrical when compared to that. Okay, and if you want to change mode display to, for example, space filling, you know that these space filling models also will come across in some textbooks sometimes. Okay, space filling model this is. So you can visualize the molecule just like this. Okay, so not only that, if you want to get any measurements, okay, for example, see that under structure menu, go to measurements, and if you want to get the data of it, okay, like generate all bond lengths of this particular molecule, folic acid, okay, you'll get it like this. Okay, all bond angles here, how many carbons you have, how many hydrogens you have. If you find out, then automatically according to that they have given the data, actual optimal, just like that. You can generate a data as well. Okay, so just like that, if you go to another measurements like bond angles, dihedral angles, okay, mostly what you can observe three-dimensional model in different ways. You can get the basic data out of it. This is what. Okay, let me go to again Camdra. This is our okay, so let me take another molecule for example to find out the three-dimensional another one, for example, vitamin B2. This is also a very big molecule, like vitamin A. Let me go to vitamin A. This is a little bit yeah, this is vitamin A. Okay, what you need to do, just this is the last example that I'm going to discuss with you. Just get the molecule and try to go to edit and just click get 3D model. You'll get a 3D model. Okay, this 3D model you need to double click. Once you double click, then automatically you will be taken to, this is what it is. This is what vitamin A. Okay, and here whatever the modification that you want to do parallelly also you can do it. Okay, that is not a problem. Okay, you can view and you can get the measurements and all of that. So that is what it is all about. three-dimensional models and visualizing and all of that. Okay, I want you to practice these two. What are that? How to borrow the structures from names, from Smiles code, from International Chemical Identifiers code, or when it comes to biology, you got the FASTA DNA, FASTA RNA, FASTA protein. So these are all sequences. You get the sequences of it, then you paste it and try to expand the label. You will get even just unimaginable, complex structures also you will have on your platform. Okay, then you can do modifications and all of that. As I said, even Helm and biopolymer, all these are related to biology. They have their own databases. From there you can borrow them. That's not a problem. So this is another thing. Now I just want to quickly go through the shortcut, the few of the shortcuts, and I'm going to show you in the form of videos which are provided by Pelkinema company. The company itself has provided along with the package. Those who have already downloaded the software, they must have already got these tips and trips of almost nearly 90 to 100 of small GIF videos. Okay, already you must have got it, and those who have not got it, don't worry. Along with the certificate, we are going to provide a reading material, and as well as we will provide these 90 to 100 GIF videos also. Those will really help you to practice in your homes once you get an opportunity of installing these software in your house. Otherwise, when you go to institutions also, you get it. And these are being provided for free of cost by the company. Okay, let me just share quickly. One by one, I'll try to explain it to you. Just have a look at it carefully. So here, we are talking about lasso and rectangle tool. Lasso and rectangle, we know that, right? Lasso and marquee tools. Okay, if you want to switch from one tool to another tool, what you need to do is simply hold Alt. If you hold Alt, okay, these are the GIF images, that have been provided by the company for free of cost. Those who have already downloaded the software, they must have got this. Those who have not got the software, don't worry, we are going to send a link. You can download it. Okay, this is nothing but a marquee and lasso tools. Every time you don't need to go to main toolbar to select that. Simply, when you are there on the marquee tool, press Alt, you will go to lasso tool. When you are there on the lasso tool to want to move to marquee tool, just simply press Alt on the keyboard, then automatically you will be transported, you will be given an opportunity just to go with the marquee tool. That's all. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, this is sometimes what happens, under object, we will fix the bond lengths. Okay, if you fix the bond length, then what happens, you cannot draw the bond length as much as you want. If you want to draw the bond length as much as you want, simply hold Alt and you try to drag it, then automatically you will get it. I'll show you how it is going to be. Okay, let me just take a ChemDraw. For example, here in the object, here you can see, let me fix the length of the bond. Okay, length of the bond. Then what is going to happen? Okay, if I take a single bond from main toolbar, and if I try to draw, I cannot draw more than that because it is fixed. I can draw only this much. Okay, so let me delete all of this. Let me just deselect this fixed length. Then let me select a single bond from the main toolbar. Now just look at it. I can draw. Okay, I can draw. This is something that you need to remember that. Okay, let me share the. Okay, this is about arrows. This is one of the very, very important thing that you need to learn. That just I'm going quickly. That's why I'm showing you videos. I'm not just trying to draw myself directly on ChemDraw. Just look at that, the arrow, how you can change. Okay, once you borrow the arrow from main toolbar, then after that there are some dots. You will find out once you put your that mouse cursor. So with the help of those dots, you can just bend that arrow. You can just increase the arrowhead, and you can decrease, and you can put it into different shapes. All these things you can do with the help of those dots, or the things which are there on the arrow. Okay, three handles, we call three handles. And now let me move on to the another one. Okay, if you want to just make curved arrows, just look at it. This is what I'm talking about when you are going to draw catalytic cycle. With the help of this thing you can draw. Just simply do that and you do the circle. You can make a circle. Okay, once you do the circle, and wherever you want to just put the molecules in between, you can put it, and you can just move ahead, and you can really present your catalytic cycle beautifully. Just look at it. This is also very, very important. Some people were asking about chemical structures, cloning or like copying. Here you can see this, and control and shift, aligned. This is alignment is very important. It means ordered way. Ordered way. For example, I'll show you what is this alignment means. What is this alignment means, and I'll show you. Let me go to ChemDraw. Let me borrow a structure. Let me borrow a structure like a acetone. Okay, I got it. Okay, now this is the acetone. So if I want to make a copy of it, what did I tell you in the last class? I told you just press Control on the keyboard and try to make a copy like this. Press Control. Just look at it. I can put it in any, any angle with respect to the previous, example. Just any angle. This is not aligned way of copying. This is not aligned way of copying. Okay. Let me just use aligned way of it. Aligned way means what? Now I am trying to not only just pressing only Control button, but Control and Shift. Okay. Now, if you see that, it is so aligned, I'm trying to put it a little below. Okay. Little below means that is also aligned. For example, I'll try to put somewhere around here the structure. Okay. Just look at it. I'm not able to do that. Either I can move on in horizontal, either I can move on in vertical, but I cannot move in a cross manner. I'm trying to, but I could not. This is what aligned way. If you want to make it a aligned way, cloning or copying the things, you need to press both Control as well as Shift simultaneously, and you need to drag. That's what you need to do. Okay. So let me just, that is one thing. Then after that, this is about mass fragmentation. It's a very simple one. I have already told you in the first day itself what is the tool that we use it in the main toolbar. This is the tool. This is the tool. If you want to change the decimal places, go to analysis toolbar. Go to analysis toolbar. There you can change the decimal, because we need accuracy in mass spectra. Sometimes we want to go to decimal places. That feature is also given over here. Okay. Then after that, clean up molecule. It's very simple. When you draw, sometimes with your hand, these molecules, sometimes they will not be in a good shape. And if you use the structure toolbar, under structure toolbar, this cleanup structure, then automatically it cleans up. That means it will give you different orientations of that particular molecule. Whatever the orientation that suits well, you can just take that. Just look at it, how well that thing is just getting, changing its shape the moment you click. The moment you click. Okay, this is about a cleanup structure. And this is about cleanups, reaction shortcuts, cleanup. Okay, just look at it. If they are ordered in a, not in a proper manner, just look at it, arrow mark and other molecule, the left side molecule and everything, they are not. Now, once you click that reaction cleanup from structure menu, structure toolbar, then automatically it will put everything on a proper basis, so that a reaction looks nice. Then you can copy it to any other kind of platform. Then you can use it. Okay. Then after that, this is something very important. Sometimes we draw the structures in a zigzag manner. That time if you want to arrange it, just this, remember this object toolbar. Remember this object toolbar. Here you will have from here to here, from here to here. Second line, third one starts with third one. All of these, they'll try to align. Here what we are trying to do is vertically. So there is a gap over here. The moment you click this distribute vertically, then automatically the space will be in a proper manner. That means they will be aligned properly vertically. Now let us see horizontally. Horizontally there is a gap. So the moment you click distribute horizontally, they will be distributed horizontally properly. So that is the thing. Then you can see this one, align left, right centers. It's a beautiful feature. Just look at it. They are selecting two centers. Then after that, they are trying to align them according to that. Okay, these are the options that you need to use to align. Okay, if you want to left edge, right edge, top edge, bottom edge, middle, everything you can do it. This is what a top, middle, bottom. That means both will come from top, from bottom to the middle, top to the bottom to the middle. Okay, one is at the top, one is at the bottom. The moment you use that align top edges, then automatically they'll come to the middle. Okay, so this is about flipping molecules. This is what I talked about. Flipping molecule means you don't need to only the whole molecule only gets flipped. That is not only the case. Even a part of the molecule also you can flip. You can flip. That is the most beautiful feature of it, and you can get it from object toolbar. That is okay. Then after that, this is joining atom to atom. This is something that I want you to remember it. Just look at this. Look at that carefully. Okay, one of the molecules atom and another molecule's atom, both are being selected simultaneously. Then after that, control J. Control J. It doesn't matter how much big those molecules are. Sometimes if you want to combine them both, simply select two parts of two different molecules and try to put control J, then automatically both the molecules will become one molecule. That is the most beautiful feature that I want you to remember this. Okay. Then after that, bond to bond. For example, if you want to fuse rings, fuse rings, one bond and the another bond from two different molecules, you try to select it and use the same shortcut, that is control plus J, then automatically both the molecules gets joined. Okay. This is about it's a very interesting one, not a great one. See, you can just form a circle. If anybody is asking you, can you form a biggest circle and make it more attractive? Just look at it, how is looking like that. Just like this, you can make wonderfully, looking, beautifully, looking molecules. Okay, what they are trying to do is they are using of this triple bond. The moment triple bond center into to adjust its bond length, this is how a circle gets formed in a bigger cycloalkanes. Okay, if you take, for example, he took 26 carbons molecule. If you take 50, the circle even will be more, like a perfect circle. You get it. The bigger one also, if you get it for 50 carbons. Okay, this is an interesting feature, not a great feature. Okay, here, reaction. Somebody just told me also ask me about this. See, once you write one step, simply double click on the arrow mark, then automatically the whole reaction gets selected. Use the same kind of option like shift control. Shift control, I told you, aligned way of making copies. Aligned way of making copies. You can just 80 or 90, 100, 1000 also you can do in fraction of seconds, all these steps. Okay. Then once you create 1000 steps, for example, in each step, what are the modifications that you want to do? Just keep on just doing those modifications. That's over. That's over. You will create 1000 step chemical reaction mechanism. That's not a simple thing. So it takes sometimes, before ChemDraw, people used to just imagine. First of all, they had no opportunity to create any other kind of platform. Okay, this platform, if it is not there, it's very difficult for people to just come up with 1,000 steps in a reaction mechanism. Just look at how beautiful that feature is. Okay, now if you want to rotate it, simply just you can use the toolbar of rotating objects. Any angle you want to rotate it manually, you can rotate it. Otherwise, if you want to rotate it by any angle, that could be 1 to 360. Need not be like 90, 60, 120, 180. Those anybody can do that very easy. For example, if you want to make it 67.5, then also you can do it. Okay. Now this is something that all of you want to concentrate on. Just look at it here. If you want to generate, multiple structures from a single structure, just look at that molecule. If you assign the kind of atoms that are to be there on that particular cyclic compound, okay, just look at this here. You just go to structure and expand generic structure, then automatically you will just generate. For example, here 10 atoms are there. You will get 10 structures in one single click, 10 different structures with the same kind of cyclic moiety. Okay, the fundamental skeleton of the cyclic structure doesn't change, but since you are incorporating 3 atoms, this fundamental cyclic structure is same, but the atoms are different. Okay, so this is very, very important. And another one is, okay, here you can just this is also very variable attachment. Variable attachment means, for example, benzene ring is there. You can select ortho meta para. You can select ortho meta para. Then after that, you can just use structure, add variable attachment, and whatever the group that you want to attach it, we'll come across generally in electrophilic substitution reactions. Generally, we come across electrophilic substitution reactions. These, okay. If you want to attach different kinds of groups to this particular, cyclic like benzene, you can do it like this. Just take a little bit of time and try to understand this. See, for example, there is a molecule like, it's like a 20 carbons, 30 carbons. Okay, you select some 20 carbons and you put an attachment and expand the label, generic structure. Then automatically you will get 20 different structures with the same skeleton, the same skeleton, but different groups attached to it. That's what you can do it. Okay. Here, this is the general. This is something you can expand the skeleton structure of it. Okay, this is what. Just have a look at it, then you will understand it. As many carbons as you want, you can do it. Okay, this is all the things, basic shortcuts keys that I just wanted to finish it off, and I just did it. And so let me just summarize the whole program that what I have discussed for the last 5 days. The first day I have introduced you what is the software and how to install it and how to download it and install it. I just told you. Then after that, I just gave you a basic overview of how the platform really looks like. What are the menu bars in it and everything. Then after that, second day, I moved on to the different toolbars, like 29 toolbars that are present in it. I just by taking a main toolbar and I try to explain it to you each and every tool that is present in that main toolbar. Then after that, I just third day, I took some 6 different kinds of examples with which I tried to show you how we can make utilize of all the tools that are present in the main toolbar. Different kinds of examples that I have taken it. In the fourth day, the most important thing that I have introduced is a hotkeys cheat sheet. That thing will enable you to just draw the structures quickly or modify the structures quickly. And when it comes to the last day, that is today, that I told you that how can we make utilize of the databases that are there in the web. See, with the help of databases, you can import almost like a lakhs and crores of molecules, that to the most complicated molecules onto this platform. After that, you can do a little bit modifications with it. Then I just last 15 minutes, I tried to just quickly go through the shortcuts that are there. There are plenty of other shortcuts are also there, which I am going to send it to you through mail along with the certificate, reading material, and these shortcut GIF images. So all these 3 things, these things you keep it with you, and whenever you get an opportunity, make use of them. Definitely, this is just going to give you an edge over other students who are studying along with you in this state right now. Okay, that's all for today's class. Just over to Viplav Shukla sir. Hello. Vijay Bhaskar sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for coming, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Shukla sir.
You are Anil.
Yes, sir. Okay, I was wearing a mask then. That's why.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
You are the main programmer of this event?
Yes, sir. ChemDraw. Last 5 days, we have been teaching this for each day 1 hour, sir. So we are not even just not making students to sit for hours together, because attention span is also not going to be that much.
How many students are there in this?
So registered people are somewhere around 300, sir. First day onwards, people started to come for 150 to 80. In between that, they are fluctuating number. That's what it's happening. The last day they have come 84. Right now 84 are there on the list. So those, we are going to anyway conduct an examination today. We are going to give a link to them. So those who are just going to get passed in that examination, they are going to get the certificates.
So participants from other degree colleges, chemistry faculty, all are included?
Not faculty, sir. Right now we have this made only for students, sir.
Okay.
Just for teachers, next level we want to just plan it. That will be a little different, because for them we will teach in a manner that they will teach to the students later on. Here I am trying to just teach to these students in a manner to learn that ChemDraw.
Is there any feedback from the students?
Yes, sir. Today we are just going to give along with that examination, we will send a feedback also that they will just give it. Based on that, we will try to do a little bit improvements also in that. Sir, Shukla sir, come back, please. Okay, right. Wait 1 minute, sir. I'll just make you co-host. Yes, sir. Shukla sir, just unmute yourself. Yes, sir. Vijay Bhaskar sir.
Good afternoon, Vijay Bhaskar sir.
Good
afternoon, Vijay Bhaskar sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, sorry, sir. He was immersed in the class and he could not trace you are in the group, sir. Okay, sir, right. I request you to give your valuable suggestions to the students at this juncture, sir.
Okay. So first of all, I want to know how many chemistry faculty in City College?
Shukla sir.
6 are, sir, 7 from duty deployed and 6 are regular
Ani?
lecturers.
6 are regular lectures. How many of you having a doctorate degree? Doctorate, PhD holders?
4, sir. 3 and
4.
3 are pursuing, sir. 4.
Okay, okay. I'm very happy to join this valedictory conference. So the City College is organizing so many good programs under FDP, and today I learned that the student development program is being organized by the City College, Government City College. I'm very happy. I'm very happy on behalf of the Commissioner of College Education and on behalf of the academic cell. And I congratulate all the faculty members of the chemistry faculty members in the City College, and I especially congratulate Principal Madam for being organizing these good programs. Basically, I'm a chemistry background. I did my chemistry, my PhD in chemistry, and I have a lot of teaching experience. Just morning, I interacted with Anil. My experiences I already told him. And being a teacher, even though I'm in administration, I used to find some time to listen some important topics like Schrodinger equation and the physical chemistry is especially very interesting to me. When I am very much, if I find any time, whether in an office or at home, I used to listen some important video classes from IIT and NITs. The NIT and IIT together formed one common platform that is called as NPTEL, National Program for Technology Enhanced Learning, through which there are so many programs are there. First of all, I disclose this matter to all the chemistry faculty members. Please watch such videos to equip your knowledge. So really it is a good program. I think it is maybe more useful for the chemistry students. Yes. So this ChemDraw, it is similar with some, it was some kind of advanced version of ChemSketch. When I do PhD in chemistry, I used to visit the Xerox centers, some data DTP centers. Their DTP persons don't know about what is benzene, what is a meta position, what is ortho position, and they don't know about significance of the case. Suppose I did my PhD in kinetics. There are in the kinetics will give the so many interpretations. Boltzmann constant, which మనము తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతాను. ABCDలో రాసేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఏమంటాము థర్డ్ లెటర్స్, సెకండ్ లెటర్స్, కర్సివ్ లెటర్స్, there are so many are there. So your Boltzmann constant can be written, K is can be written as one specific way, and small k represents rate constant. All k dash. When I'm writing the papers, used to hesitate me. The people, the DTP people don't and K prime that the DTP people who don't know about the scientific terms, but only the science people will have to. These ChemDraw, ChemSketch, etc. So in those days, that is a very like ChemSketch and ChemDraw, and there are so many tools are available. These are the ready-made user-friendly tools. Today morning, Anil came to me to discuss some issues about the audit inspection. I interacted with him, and the people who taken is very much interest to give a valuable learning material to the students. I'm very happy. This program is certainly will enhance the teaching learning of the teachers and as well as also students. And dear students, please listen to this importance of the ChemSketch, because already the resource persons already given a lot of information. But what is meant by chemistry, the part of chem office? Suppose if the person is writing a chemical structure, it is not may not be possible in Windows. Microsoft Word, you cannot create a benzene structure. Microsoft Office create cholesterol. Microsoft Office cannot create a draw or you can sketch through this particular chemical tools. The student will equip with the how to write the structures on the computers. So this is very, very essential. Just I interacted, I listened, I watched the 5 minutes the Anil speech. It is very impressive, and certainly this program is helpful to the students. The students who are having much interest about the doing a PhD in doing a PG in chemistry and biochemistry and in the life sciences, this program, this ChemDraw is very much useful to them. So first of all, the students are first of all they will have a good knowledge in the Microsoft Office. First of all, they learn about the how to know what importance of the MS Office. Then only this ChemDraw will help you. Without knowing of the computer knowledge, just knowing of ChemDraw is nothing be useful. This is only useful for the if you are well versed with the MS Office, then only this ChemDraw will equip you in addition to the Microsoft Office knowledge. In order to write, suppose any chemistry thesis or any, you have to write any chemistry papers, you wanted to write any chemistry material, very much useful to the chemistry faculty members and also the student. But for UG students, it may not be so useful.
Busi sir?
డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయినట్టుంది సార్ది.
ఓకే, మళ్ళీ కనెక్ట్ అవుతారు. యు మీన్వైల్ మేడం విజయ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం ఉన్నారు లైన్ లో.
మేడం కూడా లేరు, చూస్తున్నాను.
ఉన్నారు చూడండి, ఒకసారి చూడండి, అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి. ఫోన్ లో ఉన్నట్టున్నారు మేడం. మేడం దగ్గర కరెంట్ లేదని ఫోన్ లోకి వచ్చారు.
లేదు లేదు లేదు, ఇంకా రాలేదు.
లాస్ట్ ఉంది.
లేరు 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 లేరు. ఇదేం వచ్చినారు.
మేడం అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి, ఫస్ట్ మేడం తో మాట్లాడించండి.
ఓకే రైట్. ఓకే మేడం,
సార్ ఒకవేళ జాయిన్ అవుతుందా మళ్ళీ క్రాస్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఒకవేళ జాయిన్ అయితే ఇమీడియట్ కనెక్షన్.
ఓకే నేను చూస్తాను.
సార్ జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారండి?
సార్ మేడం మధ్యలో
డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిందని చెప్పండి మేడం.
Now I request Dr.
Sir, వచ్చారు సార్
Vijayalakshmi
సార్
madam.
విజయ్ భాస్కర్ సార్ వచ్చారు. విజయ్ భాస్కర్ సార్
Okay, okay. Vijay Bhaskar sir, please sir. Sir, please continue sir.
కాదు మ్యూట్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేయాలి కదా. హౌ విల్
చెప్తున్నా డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయింది మేడం అది.
Okay, okay. Anil, I am audible?
Yes sir, yes
ఓ
sir.
యా sir, you are audible. Actually మా ఇంట్లో కూడా కరెంట్ పోయింది and again I had to log into phone. Okay.
Some interruption is there for net connectivity.
Yes sir.
So, madam, it is very good program. Especially, I congratulate you. You are organizing a good programs. Especially, this program is very useful for the chemistry students. Those who are aspiring PG chemistry, PG biotechnology, PG biochemistry, etc. You motivate your motivation is very good. Through this type of the programs, students may have a better future. They will have a better vision to pursue their PG education. So this Chemidron is a very good program. It is definitely supplement to the students' knowledge. So I think it is the students must knowing that this program may not be this the Chemidron may not be useful for the degree level, but the students may very keen interest to develop their skills in the Chemidron. This will certainly benefit their future studies. Suppose after the completion of the BSc Life Sciences and BSc Chemistry, etc., if those students are willing to settle jobs at degree level at call centers and medical transcription and etc., this is Chemidron is very much useful. And those who are aspiring the PG chemistry and PG biotechnology, this definitely it will be the more vital information will be available in the Chemidron. And there are so many other programs are there. I request all the faculty members, you have to give some basic idea about the Origin program is also there. Origin, through which you have to do mathematical calculations. And when the student is pursuing PhD or when the student is pursuing PG chemistry and life sciences, these programs are definitely useful to the students, and you get the students' feedback. Organizing the programs is not a big task, but you have to equip the software available, all computers. You give the sufficient number of computers with having this Chemidron software. You have to freely uploaded the software, and this is made available to students. Then only when the students are visiting the lab, that is, it may be chemistry computer lab, the students may have access to open their Chemidron, and once they access to the chemistry computer lab, you have to assist one chemistry faculty member who is having the Chemidron knowledge, and you have to give some valuable guidance to students. So then only they will gradually develop interest. Just listening of the these 3-4 days lessons may not be useful, but you have to follow up after opening of the college. You have to upload the software into your computer lab computers and give some practical time. You have to mention, you have to include these programs in the practical schedule. At least every fortnight, you have such a program to allow the students to the chemistry. Then only the students will be developed enthusiasm. So once again, I congratulate all the faculty members of the chemistry of City College doing these programs. I once again congratulate all the faculty members. Thank you for giving this.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Dr. N. Vijay Bhaskar Rao garu, Joint Director of Commissioner of Collegiate Education, has given the suggestion to the students. I thank on behalf of City College.
Thank you, sir.
Now
Thank
I
you for
request
gracing on this. Hello. Hello.
Yes, madam. You speak out, ma'am.
Yeah. Sir, Vijay Bhaskar sir, are you there? Hello.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Connected.
No. I am there.
Yeah. I once again want to Thank you, sir, and for gracing, and you are always there to support our activities, and that is the best part of you. And keep sharing the knowledge what you have so that we can reach out to the students, and that is what we are expecting out of you. And please support our programs, and do encourage us. And we have been
Okay,
doing
okay.
many innovative activities, sir, for the past 2 months. We have done many good webinars to bring out the best of the talents in the teachers and the students. And I once again thank Naveen and all the CCE faculty for initiating and helping us and encouraging us to do all such activities. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Now I request Dr. V. Vijayalakshmi, Principal, City College, to say a few words on this occasion.
Hello?
Madam, you say something to the
Hello?
students.
Hello, could you
Yes.
hear me? Hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
sir,
yes,
are you
ma'am.
able to hear me? Are you able to
Yes,
hear me?
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. But
Okay, there is some problem with connectivity of madam. Now I request Dr. Eluri Yadaya, sir. Dr. Eluri Yadaya, sir, are you there?
Hello.
Yes. Sir,
Hello.
you say a few words to the students. Say a few words
Okay.
to the students.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. We, the Department of Chemistry, are very happy to say 1 week online certificate course on ChemDraw Student Development Program successfully completed. First, I thanks to our RJD sir and Vijay Bhaskar sir garu, and he came and blessed to our students and our department. And also, I will thank to Dr. Vijayalakshmi Madam. She is always and push to us to do wonderful and different activities. By that, we learn a lot. Thanks to Principal Madam on behalf of our chemistry department and this program convener of the program, our HOD, Dr. Biplav Shukla Garu, is a backbone of our department and also is a backbone of this program. Is always think different and makes different and give the lot of suggestions to us and make in positive way. And this program, resource person, especially I want to talk about him. So this Chemdron and Busi Anil Kumar is a key person. The credit goes to him only, and he successfully finished this program. And we are very lucky because he is our colleague. And one more thing I want to say, our colleagues, and they gave a lot of cooperation directly and indirectly. Okay. In this 5 days program schedule made 5 modules, and first day to 5th day, our sir taken different topics regarding the ChemDraw and given lot of information regarding how to draw the structures, create the bonds, and make the structures in cyclic structures, and all this information is given. And one, I want to say last one thing, ChemDraw is up to now, we are using 19 times updated this software. Once you think how many minds worked behind it. So this program is one of the best program for the chemist. So my humble suggestion to our students, please touch this program and make it use, and then you will become like anything. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Yadaya, sir. Is Dayanand is available? Dr. Dayanand? Bajja Anil?
Is available.
Thank-
Dayanand,
thanks,
sir.
Vasant?
Vasanta
Dayanand,
madam.
Basanta,
Vasanta madam.
Shashikala. See, if you want to speak, please come on to kindly communicate. Now I request some of the students to give their feedback, because you are the serious listeners and participants for 5 days. We want to listen from you. I have got 2-3 names from the students. I will invite them. First, I would like to invite Suraya Siddiqui. Bhushan sir, kindly unmute all so that they can speak.
Acha, acha. Okay, right, sir. Right.
Suraya Siddiqui.
Suraya Siddiqui. Okay. Okay. It seems Shukla sir got disconnected, but Suraya Siddiqui, if you are there, please just. She'll be back soon.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir. Dayanand sir.
I sincerely congratulate you, sir, for taking so much pains and hard work to train our students. Really, you are a great asset for the chemistry department, and you are an ideal person. My dear students and the participants, Satyanarayan sir, namaskaram sir, Satyanarayan sir. మిమ్మల్ని హాయ్ అని చెప్పలేకపోతున్నా. అందరికి మా శుక్లా సార్ కు, యాదయ్య సార్, శశికళ మేడం, వసంత మేడం, బొజ్జా సార్, సత్యనారాయణ సార్, అండ్ ద గ్రేట్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్ బుసి అనిల్ కుమార్ సార్. రియల్లీ ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ మచ్ హ్యాపీ టు బి పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, అండ్ రియల్లీ ఐ అప్రిషియేట్ and congratulate you, sir. I also congratulate all the students for their patient participation as well as practicing the ChemDraw. ChemDraw is an asset for our future to pursue chemistry, because we know that chemistry is ruling the world in this pandemic, and in future also we can expect more from chemistry. To be empowered, ChemDraw is more important. As our Shukla sir was saying that in 1986 itself, it was very hard. Okay, really, it was very hard to draw just a benzene structure. Now it is very easy, because just by using the tools which you are dealt by Busi sir, you can easily apply them, and you can write anything. Really, it is it empowers you, and it helps you in our future also. Okay, it is a great thing for our department, sir, for having Shukla sir. Why? Because he's always dynamic. Okay, everyone gets adding up to their age, but our sir is adding more knowledge as years grow. Generally grow older. Really, thank you, sir. Thank you, all the students. Practice it, practice it, practice it. That's all. Without practicing, ChemDraw become liability rather than asset. Why? Because just having knowing awareness is not important. Okay, thank you one and all. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Busi sir. Okay.
Thank you, thank you, sir. Thank
Busi sir, did Suraya Siddiqui spoke?
No, she is there, but unfortunately, I made her co-host also. But she's unable
Suraya
to.
Siddiqui?
Probably we should.
Suraya Siddiqui, once again, you try. If you can come on the video.
Yeah.
Now I request Sri Shiva Komati. Shiva Komati.
Okay, I am making him co-host, so he can unmute himself.
Hello, hello. Are you able to hear me, Busi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Yo.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I
Hello.
welcome Principal Madam. I request Madam to say a few words. Madam, please speak out.
Yeah, yeah. Very much thankful to the chemistry department for conducting a program of this sort. Am I audible, sir? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Am I audible? Nobody is responding. How
Yes,
can I
yes,
speak
ma'am. We are
out?
responding, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
We could hear you. Please speak on.
yeah, yeah. Very much.
Some echo is there, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So there is some problem. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I wish to thank the chemistry faculty for arranging a program of this sort, and please keep learning all this sort. Hello? Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes, 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 ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
These new skills because they are very, very implicating things. Very, very. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please go on.
Yeah. Okay. So there is some problem. Hello? Yeah. And please maintain timings because it is very, very always think that by learning these are
Sir, it got disconnected again.
Okay, okay.
She is
Now
there. She is there. She is there. Ma'am is there. But unfortunately, the problem is there with the audio and network, it seems.
audio.
Audio is also not coming, sir, properly.
Okay. Ask Madam. If not, I will invite some of the students. They are ready to speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I request Mr. Chakradhar and Rachana Golikar and Kushal Golikar be ready to speak. I will invite you after Principal Madam's speech. Any
Chakradhar is there. And one more, sir. Names you just tell me. I'll make them co-host so that, you know, they can...
Rachana Golikar and Kushal Golikar are there. Rachana Golikar and Kushal Golikar, Chakradhar, Suraya Siddiqui. These people, they are ready.
Lucy, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Finally, I got through. Okay.
Okay.
So dear students, always remember that it is very, very important to learn new skills because learning new skills will always keep you active and you will be very young. So if you stop learning, you will stop growing old. Okay, so that is why you always keep yourself acquainted with the new knowledge that is coming up and also have this positive bent of mind
to accept the changes, because yesterday it was an offline mode and today it is an online mode, and you will have to accept the changes. You have to be very agile. You have to learn all the new things that are happening, and always stress is an important factor for all the students. I agree. And there is a fear, anxiety when we are into learning new things, but always take your help from your teachers or your parents or your friends, and never give up. So if you don't give up things, and if you're more confident to learn new things, you will always succeed in your life. And always don't be in opinion that you have to shift your priorities. Today, if we are not able to learn this, you must go for other. Don't have that shifting of priorities. Always be keen to learn whatever knowledge you wanted to learn, and be very smart. So SMART, that is, be very specific, be very measurable and action oriented, realistic and timely. So that type of goals you please set down, and be responsible citizens, have your own decision making, and you must also develop this attitude of research. See, all these what Anil sir and Shukla sir are helping you to learn is for your research. So that research bent of mind should be something which, as degree college students, you need to develop. So only thinking that I'll get one job and I'll finish off my education, that is not the need of the hour. So you must be more educated to take better decisions, because once you start with learning many things, you become more critical in your thinking, and you become more analytical in your thinking, and learn all these memory aids also. So because we tend to forget all the things very easily, so use some memory aids, learn to read very fastly, and learn to write very fastly, and all these skills will make you better students and better individuals, and finally become good citizens of India. That is the message I wanted to deliver today. So thank you one and all. In spite of all the odds, I could give my message. And I once again thank Anil sir and Shukla sir for taking this initiative, and also the other members of the department for supporting them. And had you taken the feedback from the students, sir?
Now,
Yeah, we will get in Google.
Yeah.
And directly we are taking some videos, ma'am. Now
Okay.
the student, after you, students will
Okay.
speak.
So, yeah. Did the students speak, or are they
No,
going
no.
to speak now?
Now they are going to speak, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you very much, Vijayalakshmi madam, for your constant support and encouragement. And we are blessed because we are with you, and you are giving right suggestions and supporting us. I thank you. Thank you very much from thanks from our Department of Chemistry, ma'am.
Thank
Now
you.
I request students, I apologize for this technical glitch, and we will continue for 10-15 minutes more. Kindly bear with this. And now I request students, if you are unmuted, Bhushan sir, are
yes,
they
sir.
unmuted?
I have made them all co-hosts.
Rachana?
They can Rachana.
Rachana Gaulikar.
Hello, sir.
हाँ,
Hello,
बेटा.
sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, beta. You come in video, beta.
No, sir. It's fine. Like,
Okay. No problem. Carry on.
sir, I'm Rachna. I'm from St. Anne's College for Women, Mehdipatnam branch. And right now, I am in my second year of BSc from genetics, microbiology, and chemistry. These are my majors. And when I got to know about ChemDraw, basically, I thought like it is just a theme for this session, like ChemDraw. Maybe they are going to teach some art in chemistry, something like that. But later on, when I attended the first session, I got to know it. Basically, it is a software that we need to install, and then we have to practice the chemical structures like that. And yeah, I mean, Shukla sir, when he started the session, he gave his motivating speeches, and that really, I actually took those lines when you were telling. So I found them very interesting. And then when Anil sir, he started his sessions, like he made it very comfortable to install the softwares and divide the sessions into like simple way to learn every day. Like instead of keeping it for 3 hours or 2 hour session, like we just had 1 hour, and it was very easy to get all those things and then practice it later on after the session. And I'm grateful to learn all the basics of ChemDraw. Like I was very eager to know like how, when I'll get to learn the reactions, what are the shortcuts. So I was the one who continuously kept on asking the questions, but sorry for that. And when I shared this thing on my social media, like I'm learning ChemDraw, and few of MSc students, I don't know them, like they were texting, can you please tell us how to install this software, like that. So I was happy, like I'm learning ChemDraw right in my undergraduation, and thank you so much, sir, for your support and for your patience to clear all our doubts. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Rachna,
beta.
never feel that questioning is something wrong, because as students you always need to question so that the teachers go back, read more and come back to you. So always don't feel that questioning is a bad thing. Okay.
Sure,
So
ma'am.
yeah. So always try to ask more questions so that you can have an in-depth knowledge of that subject. Okay.
Sure,
All the
ma'am.
very best. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, now I request Mr. Chakradhar to speak. Chakradhar,
Yeah, yes. I'm audible, sir.
please speak.
Yes, you are audible. You are audible.
Yes, beta.
Good afternoon, respected principal madam and my chemistry department, my sirs. Sir, it was actually best program in that too in a very short span of time. Sir, if we go outside to learn any course or any application, it takes minimum of 1 month. They take that too. You have given us this much brief information about that ChemDraw application, that too in a very short span of time, in a detailed manner, so that no one or no student is in a way that they cannot understand it. You made it such simple. I don't want to speak much. It was the best program in a very short span of time. That's it. Thank you for this
Thank you.
Okay.
great
Thank you.
opportunity.
Thank you.
So anybody else?
Now I request Om Shriresh. Om Shriresh, are you there?
Sir, good evening. Sir, good evening, sir. This
Speak
is
out,
Om
beta.
Shirish from
Speak out.
KDC. Sir,
Okay.
good evening, sir. This is Om Shirish from KDC College, Hanamakonda. And I have installed this software before a month, sir. And I was trying with the help of YouTube tutorials. But even I have not got all the things. After Anil sir's lectures, I have it was made very simple and very easy. And so thank you, madam, for conducting this such great programs for our students, and keep supporting us. And we will also good in future, and we will never forget this program. And thank you all, Shukla sir and sir.
So which year you are
That's
into?
it, sir. Thank you,
Suresh?
sir.
Yeah. Suresh, which year? Are you first year or second year?
Sir, I'm second year, ma'am.
Okay. Second.
BSc MPC, ma'am.
Okay.
KD's College.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I would like to thank Ramesh sir for circulating this information. Now, hello, unmute. Now I request Hema. Hema, are you there? Domalapalli Hema. Unmute Domalapalli Hema, sir.
Right, sir. Yes, she
Good
unmuted.
evening, sir.
Good evening, beta.
I'm from Indra Priyadarshini Government Degree College.
Nice.
The brochure which have sent you in the group, first of all, by seeing that I was shocked because I don't know about this SDP ChemDraw. That was a new term which I have learned in this pandemic. Especially in this pandemic, we have gone through so many webinars. I'm fed up with this seeing phone always. Because just going with phone my life always. Not only me, everyone is going with phone. But according to my subject, I'm not getting something in this pandemic which I want to learn from chemistry. But this city college, which you have taken a program that interacts me so much, even in I was want to know more 2 hours, 3 hours, but you have given us only 1 hour a one day. I'm really very happy with this program, especially to the city college chemistry ma'ams and sirs, everyone, because in this pandemic you have given a term very different to anyone. But I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
What is that mean? Why don't you come to our colleges and teach us SDP ChemDraw?
Okay.
Before
Beta,
this
shall I tell
pandemic,
you one
we
thing?
don't know this. Why?
Valli Saubhagya madam and Haripriya madam and Vijaya madam, all are our friends. You don't worry, definitely we are going to come to your college. Okay?
Yes,
thank you. I
before
thank your
pandemic, we
chemistry
don't
department.
know.
Yes,
Before
yes, beta.
pandemic, we don't know this type of programs are going on. This type of software is there in chemistry. We can play the computer in chemistry also, not only in
Yes.
BTech. Everything in chemistry also we had a computer involved. Everything the software, but the thing is that this is a program which I really enjoyed, and I want to be with computer with only with this camera more because I can learn more chemistry and. I thank to the main Anil sir because he teaches us very clean in a blatant manner, which I learn very carefully. I listen very carefully. But I want more from you, sir. I want more like these programs in chemistry involved programs.
Sure.
I'm very thankful to City College, sir, especially to the City College and Principal ma'am, to chemistry, each and every sir and ma'am. Very thankful to you, sir, and each and every ma'am, especially to Principal ma'am and Anil sir, Shukla sir, Teshikala madam, everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.
Okay, beta. Thank you very much, beta. As you said, people they are get fed up with the phone. If we conduct 4 to 5 hours class, nobody will listen. And on the initial day there was 200. Now it has come to 100. So that's why we have kind of consigned the program to only 1 hour. So that specifically and crispy you will get the information. And Busi sir has done justice to it. Now I request Surya Siddiqui, can you unmute Surya Siddiqui? Is possible?
Yeah, she is there. She is there. And I'm trying to just make her co-host. Yeah. Now Suraya Siddiqui can unmute herself.
Beta, unmute and if possible you speak.
Yes.
Hello?
Suraya.
Yes.
Hello, good afternoon.
Beta.
Am I audible, sir?
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Yes, beta. Yes. Speak up.
I am Suraya Siddiqui from St. Anne's College for Women. I'm currently pursuing BSc in Genetics, Microbiology and Chemistry. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for allowing me to attend this session. I'm really thankful, Principal Ma'am, Shukla sir and Busi sir for such innovative and informative session. I have grabbed a lot of concepts that were me, and to be honest about ChemDraw, I certainly knew nothing about it at first. Thank you so much for introducing this platform, and I have learned quite a lot in this platform, and I'm sure this will be helpful for me in my future classes as well. That's all, ma'am. I would be really glad to attend these sessions again in the future as well. Thank you.
Okay, beta. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, Kushal Gaulikar. Kushal Gaulikar. Kushal Gaulikar, are you there?
Good evening, everyone.
Okay, beta.
This is Kushal. This is Kushal from Bhavan Science College, Narayanaguda. I'm pursuing microbiology, botany, chemistry final year.
Beta, speak out.
This is one of the most innovative webinars during this pandemic. I have attended a lot of webinars during this time, but this is the most creative and the most interesting webinar till now.
Thank you.
You don't want to use the word best, huh?
Yeah, ma'am. Really, it's one of the best.
Okay, fine.
It's rather
thank you.
It's rather communicative than the other webinars too.
Yeah.
It's a good ChemDraw is a good alternative to the traditional pen and paper based learning too.
Yes.
And Anil sir's thanks for the effort of Anil sir. He was very keen in explaining us each and everything of ChemDraw.
Yeah.
And I thank the whole team for giving us such an informative webinar. Thank you.
So if we arrange one more skill development program of this sort, will you join?
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, I will join.
Definitely. Okay.
Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Okay.
Thank you very much, beta, for your feedback. Now I request Shivya Baga. Shivya Baga. Are you there?
Yeah, she's there.
Yeah, unmute.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Shivya Baga, you can.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, beta.
Yeah. Just talk.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm very happy to attend this webinar on ChemDraw because, like, on the very first day when I got to know about this ChemDraw, I thought like it's something learning about the mechanisms that we have in ChemDraw. And like when I got to know about that, it's not that, it's the app through which we can make our studies easy in chemistry. I was like really amazed, and I got to learn many new things in this. And I would just love to learn more and attend the future this webinars on this. Thank you.
Okay, beta. Any more? Anybody wants to give their feedback? They can give their name in chat box. We will unmute them, then they can speak.
Niharika Nakireddy.
Okay, Niharika.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening to
Speak
one and all. Sir, myself Niharika from Lal Bahadur College, Warangal.
Okay.
Sir, I'm pursuing my graduation in BSc Biotechnology.
Nice.
Firstly, when I heard about the ChemDraw, I just thought that you're going to teach manually how can we write any structure by using our brain. But at first thing, when I heard that ChemDraw is not actually what we can do manually, that really from a software. For the first time, when I heard that Perkin Alma, when Sir Busianil sir has told that, I doesn't know there are 19 editions and all, I don't know. Then I've started to search about it after the first session. It's a really huge thing, which is very useful for every student who needs to pursue the higher knowledge. Sir, it's really helpful for us, sir. Thanks for the session. And we are expecting many more sessions to learn new things and very useful things.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, beta. Now I request Gurram Sandeep. Gurram Sandeep. Okay, if not, Sheikh Abid.
Hello. Hello.
Gurram Sandeep. Gurram Sandeep is
Yes,
there.
Gurram Sandeep.
Hello. Yes, I am audible to you.
Yes, beta.
First of all, good afternoon to everyone. Usi Anil sir, you have been a great lecturer, and I fully enjoyed your lectures for explaining everything in detail, and it made me easier for understand. Actually, I thought it was a pen and paper based drawing, but when I come to the first session of your class, then I come to know it was actually a software to be installed. To be frank, I really got vexed first 2 sessions, and after later on, 3, 4th, and 5th day, I really enjoyed a lot. The cheating, shortcuts, and everything 3D models, I really enjoyed. As there are many lecturers in this platform, I want to say that this knowledge must be reached to each and every student. My suggestion is that why not every institution, if they install, every institution maybe have a digital library after the pandemic situation. Why can't they install this ChemDraw software so that every student can learn it?
Yes, good idea.
And Shukla sir, I should say to you this, that beard looks good on you. Never ever shave that.
Thank you for your compliment.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Nice.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have 100 people. You have learned Chem software. You can teach to 1,000 people in turn, because you can do mock teaching better. As you learn these things, you can tell to all your friends, and everybody will get educated in chemistry. So only Busianil has ignited, and you can burn more candles. Okay, you think like that. Now I request Mr. Sheikh Abid. Sheikh Abid, unmute him, sir.
Yeah, I made him co-host. He can unmute himself.
Sheikh Abid,
please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Am I audible,
yes,
sir? Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Principal Madam of Government City College and all the chemistry department lecturers. Firstly, I would like to say that this student development program regarding ChemDraw, it was the best I have attended. The scheduled period of time was also good. No, only 1 hour, not extended hours like it will be feeling very bored or like that. And I'm really thankful to Busi Anil Kumar sir for making his efforts to make us understand this concept. I really enjoyed it. I came to learn many new things in this ChemDraw software, and hopefully it will be helpful in my future. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, beta. Thank you very much.
Remember in your blessings, sir, everywhere.
Okay. We are teachers always bless
you,
you, and we for the growth of development of students. Wherever you are, we are with you. Thank you very much, beta.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Anybody
Sir.
else? I think whatever names you have given, I exhausted from me. If anybody wants to speak, you can.
There is nobody, sir. Or I guess.
Okay. Dear friends, 24/7 we are available. Okay. Are you listening to me? We are available 24/7. That means not 24 hours, 7 weeks. Today is 24th and it is July. We are available today only. Today we are signing off from you.
Okay.
We are signing off from you. Tomorrow you are having examination.
Yeah.
And feedback. These two things are must. Now I request Busi sir to explain how will be the examination pattern and feedback. Please,
Yes, sir.
please carry on, sir.
Thank you so much. I just thank Vijay Bhaskar sir for giving his valuable suggestions, and most important, I thank all the students who have given feedbacks and all the students who have attended for all the 5 sessions. Okay, my thanks goes to all of you from the bottom of my heart. And this is, the best. We have not charged any, single rupee for this course. And see why we have done all this. This is our duty as a chemistry faculty. This is our duty to just give you the information that is out there. Okay, that is nothing more than that we are doing. Actually, you gave us more thanks than what we deserve for. Okay, definitely we'll be always honored by your thanks and your being with us, just giving us your feedback forms and support and all of that. So what we, as I told you, just these are not great works. Actually, we have started with this as a small initiative, and there are so many other packages are also there in this our chemistry. Some of the students have just said that this is the first time that they are listening to a package like this in chemistry. So it's not like that. That is one of the reasons why we have just put forwarded this package in front of you. So there are so many other packages, not only just simply application kind of things. There are high-end programming languages are also there. Just the way we find programming languages in top-notch computer science and other departments like mechanical and electrical, we have our own chemistry packages also. See, our intention is this program lay a foundation for you just to realize that there is a digital chemistry world that is existing. By just introducing yourself to that world through this platform, future, just try to pursue and try to get the knowledge of digital chemistry world, so that what happens when you go to higher education and when you get into the jobs, not only that, in future you may come up with a lot of innovative ideas and you may come up with a chemistry related companies, industries. That time this technical and our digital knowledge is really going to help you. So along with the static knowledge that we provide, you have to equip yourself this digital knowledge as well, because the coming years are not going to be like a normal thing. It's going to be very competitive, and in that world, to survive in a kind of a competitive market world, you have to equip yourself with all kinds of skills. That could be genetics, that could be biotechnology, that could be chemistry, that could be mathematics and physics. So that is what the take-home message that I would like to give you. And not taking too much time, I would like to wind it off this by just giving you a few instructions regarding the examination and feedback. See, I am going to post it to you now to everyone, that in the chat box you can see. You can have a look at it. 1 minute. See, there is one examination link and there is a feedback form link. I request you to both go through both the links and just try to attempt the questions in the examination. Try to give your valuable feedback on this Google form. So these 2 links will not work today. They will be get opened tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Okay, they'll be opened at tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock and they'll be active till evening 5 o'clock. That's it. And after that, again, I'll close the responses. So I want you to just please go through these links tomorrow 10 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock, and just attempt the examination. Just do not please think that this examination is something, don't get scared of, or don't feel like typical kind of examination. See, whatever that you have learned, try to search in the Google, try to get the help of your friends. Otherwise, just if you have got really the knowledge, just simply try to attempt all the questions. These questions definitely truly they'll give you a little bit of knowledge, how much you've learned and everything. Try to assess yourself by attempting this examination. Okay, as I told you, these two links will be active tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, and after that they'll end at tomorrow evening 5 o'clock. That's it. These are all that I would like to say. Over to Shukla sir.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank Vijayalakshmi madam, principal madam, for giving a lot of support, and she is the patron of this program, and really I appreciate you, ma'am, from bottom of heart, because so many students are can make use of this opportunity and they can learn. And on the other hand, my department colleagues, Dr. Yeluri Yadaya sir, Dayanand sir, Bujja Anil, Shashikala madam, Vasanta madam, and Mahesh and Busi Anil, everybody, they have put their efforts in bringing this program to you. And with the last 2 points I will end, 2 important points I would like to share with you. First important point, even if you win a rat race, you are a rat. Even if you win a rat race, you are a rat. Even if you lose a lion's race, you are a lion. So try to be lion, not the rat. First thing. Second concept I want to say is, if you want to learn computer, just beat the computer. Do experimentation. There are different paths. We have shown the direction to you, and you can explore in it. And hope in next year, ChemDraw, some of the students from you should come as a resource person to the program and give the lecture. That is my expectation. Hopefully, I think enjoyed. Please write the examination feedback. These 2 things are compulsory. Then only you will get certificate. Certificate is not important, but it will also help you. When I will tell you one incident. Before a year, there was a competition for MSc Chemistry. A student who has attended a 1-week chemistry course got advantage, and he got MSc Chemistry seat. So don't take easily. Write the examination. You will get the certificate. And knowledge is the strongest weapon than certificate. Have knowledge. And thank you. I would like to sign off, and I thank each and everybody for your patience. As participants, you are highly disciplined. I appreciate you, and from bottom of my heart, because you are a nice, unrelated. If you want to learn chemistry, you love chemistry. When you love chemistry, definitely she is like our mother. She will come to our protection. Okay. With these words, I will start the program. And thank you very much. Have a good time. Be safe. Take care of yourself. And right there. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Sir, some of the participants are saying, it is not responding. Yes, it is not responding. It will not take your responses today.
It will not respond.
As
Dear friends,
tomorrow, again and again.
Anil sir already told you tomorrow morning 10 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock it will be open.
Yes.
Then only you are supposed to write the examination and feedback both. Yes. It will not open now. Because our total day program is 7 days program, tomorrow also included. So that's why tomorrow is examination day for you. You can write any time from 10 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it.
That's it.
That's all for today.
Thank you, Vijayalakshmi madam, principal madam. Thank you, Busi Anil sir, Yadaya sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Shashikala madam, Vasanta madam, Dayanand, Bujja Anil, Mahesh, everybody. Thank you. With you only I could do something. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.